everyone, so I'm going to be putting out there a few more videos on the different kind of products that you can use in order to help promote healing when you have a scar. There are lots of kind of general products on the market, but we're also starting to see some more specific and specialised products coming out, and I was really delighted to get this product to take a look at from Scarban. So this is the C-section recovery kit. Quite a big package, as you can see, really nicely packaged, and inside you open it up, what we've got is an information booklet. Underneath that, the all-important product, which is going to help promote healing in scars. So this is a silicone, medical grade silicone. Silicone's got really quite good evidence, quite a few research papers on how it can help. It can help both by reducing hypertrophic and keloid scars, particularly when used in early healing, and also can help with some of the symptoms associated with dysfunctional scars. So some of the itching and the irritation and so on. It helps to lock moisture in because scars become very dry and then it gets all aggravated and irritated. So a really nice product. About the right size, I would say, for most people for a C-section scar. You can obviously cut the product if you've got a particularly small scar or it doesn't quite sit right with you, just with a normal pair of scissors. The reason that it comes with this special washing cream is that the cleanser is to clean the product, because the product is reusable. It should last between 6 to 8 weeks. And it should be worn between 12 and 20 hours a day. And normally you'd start off by wearing it a certain amount of time and then build up the wear. I think it's something certainly worth considering if you have known in the past that you suffer with problematic scarring, and particularly the sooner that you can get this kind of product onto your scar to help start to reducing that irritation and stopping any potential growth of the scar tissue leading to a hypertrophic or keloid scar. So these are scars. A keloid scar is really quite big and raised, very commonly itchy. People don't like them because visually they're not the most attractive kind of scars. And also, once you have a keloid, it shouldn't normally change. Another really common, slightly problematic scar that people can often get is a hypertrophic scar. Hypertrophic scars look a little bit like a shiny red worm. So the scar tissue starts to raise up. It becomes a bit shiny. It's almost got that kind of cling filmy look to the surface of the tissue. And these kind of scars are really going to benefit from this kind of product. But the best thing is before you start to develop a more problematic scar, if you were to use a product like this in a preventative way, it is possible that that's going to stop that kind of problematic scar developing. Still lots of research going on with the best ways to manage scar, but certainly there has been over the years quite a good leaning towards silicone products being used to help in scar care. So this isn't just a new fad that's been released out. It's been used quite commonly more in kind of hospital or wound control settings, and what's nice is that these products are finally reaching more to the open market for people to be able to pick up and use themselves in a more accessible way. And certainly if you go online and look at silicone products, a lot of the time they're not really packaged in a way which is particularly appealing for the kind of open market, if you like. The way that they've been packaged and designed has been designed for a hospital to buy a whole stack of them and use them. So what's quite nice about this is that they have obviously gone into quite a bit of effort with putting together the nice information leaflet, putting the cleanser together with it. It's already pre-cut to size for what they believe would be the average C-section. So a really interesting product. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for checking in with this video, and keep an eye out for more different product reviews. Thanks, bye.